Hi Aries, this is your next 7 days reading. How is it going to be for you this week? This is from the 12th of April to the 18th of April. This is for the collective of Aries, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. What's coming to you, Aries, is very, very interesting. I have seen your cards and now I'm going to tell you about it. With the Six of Pentacles, there is reciprocation coming to you, and this is happening after a long time. So, you have been in a situation for a long time where there was no reciprocation. You have been doing a lot for someone, something. You have been doing, working on a certain situation. You have been a important contributor, a very worthy cog in the wheel. You have been doing your work silently. This time, your loyalty will be rewarded and you will be given the due credit. That is what I am seeing with the Sun and the Justice card. So, Sun and the Justice will bring rectification in a situation where you were wronged. So basically, wherever you have been wronged in your life, wherever you were facing difficulty, wherever you were not given your due respect or due love or your due money, you are going to receive that in this time period, and that is going to give you much joy, happiness, and sense of satisfaction and balance in your life. So, if fairness is going to be received by you, there could be a coming of a king of Knight of Cups towards you. Someone is going to bring in love, charm. Someone is going to bail you out of a situation. Six of Pentacles here is not just reciprocation in money, it is reciprocation of whatever you have done for others, and it is coming to you. And you have worked very hard. You have worked very hard with the Eight of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. So you have embraced new ways of doing things. You have done whatever you could do, and you will get recognition for that. And with the Sun, you are going to enjoy. Some of you are going to receive some good news about your children, receive some good news about your health, receive some good news about your work and work situations. Your organization will give you some respect in this time period. Some of you could be in, you want rest, you will get your rest. Some holiday can happen for you. So you have been going through sadness for a long time. Something was on you. So a burden of some kind was on you, and that pressure is going to be released in this time period, Aries. And whether it is your love, whether it is your personal relationship in family, whether it is your job situation, whether it is your health situation, you are going to receive some light from the source. So God is your source, God is your source, and everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God. And your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God there is no lack or limitation, rather there is plenty of abundance for all to share. So you will be getting this energy from directly from God, and unexpectedly in your next 7 days with the Ace of Swords, a clarity will come to you. A chaotic situation will turn into victory. You will be able to conquer a situation. That is what I am seeing. So something had taken its own sweet time to come to you. It could be your love situation, it could be your money situation, it could be your stability. So with the Knight of Pentacles, something took a long time, or you have been very perseverant and loyal, and you have been doing your work slowly but steadily, and your growth has been slow. Some of the time you felt that you are stuck in a situation with two of swords. Nothing was coming about, nothing was coming to you very easily, but with the world and the judgment, there is going to be this energy of accomplishment, fulfillment, change of environment totally for you, and judgment is favorable towards you. Angels are going to make an effort, and invisible energy is going to come in, change your mind, change your the way you have been for a long time. And Aries, you are going to get some good results in this time period. So focus on your priorities. So where you put, it's more in terms of your emotions. So focus on you get, sometimes you get you don't get what you require because you don't focus on yourself, you focus on others, you focus on doing for others, but that is not going to give you satisfaction. So focus on your own priorities, because where you put your focus is where you receive your outcome from. So your priorities are calling to you, which may produce a feeling of anxiety unless you give them your time. Time and attention they require, so or they deserve. So even a small amount of time devoted to your priorities will help you feel better and more confident. That is what the angels of abundance are telling you. In terms of your job, it is asking you to not compete, it is asking you to cooperate. So cooperate instead of competition, and what's yours will remain yours, and no one can take it from you. So there is no need to compete, as there is an abundance for all. So you have complete access to unlimited abundance for yourself and to share with others. With cooperative partnerships, you can accomplish anything. So all these cards are telling us that Aries, this is your season. Sun is here for you. It is going to shower its light on you, and it is going to be in a very high position because it is in your house, it is in the first house. So what is going to happen is very, very good results for you. Everything, every difficulty will be diminished in this time period. So your outcome is Six of Wands. You are going to get a victory over a certain circumstance. You are going to attract more attention from lovers, from people who are close to you. You are going to achieve a social victory. That is what I am seeing. You are going to achieve an economic victory. That is what I am seeing. So a big pressure is released, and all the targets that you wanted to fulfill will be fulfilled in this time period. Keep your mind sharp with the magician energy. Manifest what you want, manifest what you desire and need, and there is no need to fear, there is no need to do too much to for others or please them. You are doing enough. You will grow, you will move away from these difficulties that are around you or the mess created by others. So you have been wronged in your past, but with your manifestation energy, you are winning this time. You are winning, Aries, in this period. So definitely a good run for you this week and beyond that. So I wish you all the best. I wish happy birthdays to people who are going to have their birthdays this week, and please enjoy and have fun, and also take rest. So Four of Swords is required. Break away from too much noise, din, or too much complications in life. Take necessary rest, because your priority is resting, your priority is recuperating, your priority is to think quietly and manage your situations, and let some invisible energies also do their work. You don't have to all the time work, Aries. So this is your reading. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me through the email ID in the description box for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so you can just write to me one line and I will reply back to you with all the details of the personal readings. And if you don't require that, no worries. This platform is free and I keep posting your readings periodically, so keep an eye on this and hit the join button or the subscriber button, and you will get the notifications which comes with the subscription. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.